Hey everybody, it's Amy Dickinson Campbell, Space Weather Report. This is going to be for the 27th, guys. So this is Thursday the 27th of April, and this is where they're expecting that potential coronal mass ejection. Okay, so it's another cannibal CME, which means that they get one that's coming at us, and they get another one that's going so fast it kind of gobbles the other. So they've got basically two coronal mass ejections coming at us, but one's going to get to the other one. So I don't know if it's going to actually hit or if it moves. It says the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, SOHO, just witnessed the formation of a cannibal CME in the coronagraph movie. Go to spaceweather.com, you can see it. Note how a bright CME emerging from the sun's northeastern limb, 11 o'clock position, sweeps up a slower, fainter CME, gobbled it up, directly ahead of it at 10 o'clock position. Now, just, yes, of course, we can see that with the little movie. This particular cannibal CME will probably not affect our planet. It's heading away from us. Okay. All right. That's good to know. All right. Right now, what we're dealing with is primarily C-class flares, but our solar winds are kind of in a danger zone. They're running at 586 kilometers a second, and they went over 600 kilometers a second a little earlier on the 26th. So let's mind those, okay? Because those can still cause earthquakes and mess with the Earth's crust and the magnetosphere and all kinds of stuff. We've got this, the neutron count is 1.8% below the maximum. Totally take that. I love it when it's not blowing too high. And what are we looking at? A 10% elevated chance of M-class flares and just a 1% chance of X, so no potential for X-class flares. 30% activity in the mid-latitudes for geomagnetic activity and 40% severe activity at the poles. Now, let's look for asteroids for the 27th. They've got one that's 1.4 lunar distance, so about 1.5 moons from the planet, and it's 19 meters in diameter, so it's about 60 feet, give or take, about 57 feet. All right, guys, stay hydrated, stay shaded. If you don't need it, unplug it. Look out for your elderly, your plants, and your infirmed, because with the extreme solar flares, even though they might just be C-class because we're not getting the protection in the magnetosphere like we're supposed to be getting during a solar maximum cycle, the UV is way more intense. The geomagnetic activity can cause radio blackouts and satellite disruptions and that kind of stuff. And it looks like the coronal mass ejection is not going to hit us. It's going the other direction. So that's a good thing. But the solar winds are still elevated. And so please take caution with that. Secure everything for C because they can cause straight line winds. They can cause earthquakes, those kinds of things. And the faster they get, the more dangerous they get. They can knock planes out of the sky. All right, y'all. Send in love. See you again on Friday. Bye.